The communities and neighborhoods of Western Pennsylvania each have their own personality and flavor. But they all have at least one thing in common. From time to time, they get rain, or snow rain, or rain snow. And when that happens, there are only so many places for all that water to go, which is a big problem that's only getting worse. In some ways, the rain and elements have made this great region what it is. They have carved our hills, defined our communities, fed our rivers, and they've transported what we produce to every part of the world. It's our most defining attribute and undoubtedly our most important asset. Nature has shaped our way of life, as well as given us our share of challenges, like getting from here to there and back here again. But whenever nature has given the people of Allegheny County an obstacle, we've done more than just managed. We've thrived. We've dug deeper, spanned farther. Now it's time once again to unite, not with a small tweak, but a grand plan and commitment to make sure that whatever nature throws at us will make us stronger, safer, healthier. Doesn't it figure in this great community of bridges that what separates us now brings us together?